Samsung Messages may not be the official, but it still is one of the best messaging apps. In this video, we'll see how to use it. So, let us begin. This is how it looks. We have all the conversations here. On the top, you'll find the unread chat number if any. Tap the button to see just them. We can access contacts and open anyone from here. Those three dots have all the app options. This icon is to start a new conversation. Samsung Messages supports categories. Categories can help in organizing your messages. Inbox is the default category. Click the plus icon to add a new one. Give it a title and then choose the conversations you want in that category. I will pick a few. Here we go. Now we have two interfaces. When a category is created, you'll notice this filter icon. This lets you choose whether you want to show all the chats in inbox or just the ones that are not categorized. The app has all the message options that others offer and has a few unique options of its own. We can send images and voice messages. Tap this icon to see all other options. It supports sending location, video, audio, contacts, calendar, Samsung Notes and more. However, one issue with Samsung Messages is that to send emojis and stickers, you must have Samsung keyboard activated. Otherwise, it won't work. But thankfully, most keyboards support sending emojis and stickers, so in a way, nothing is lost. Now we'll move to the most trending topic, RCS in Samsung Messages. Go to Settings and tap Chat Features. Now Samsung Messages is very sensitive and in most cases, RCS does not even work. If yours is deactivated, that means it may not support it on your phone. Also, unlike Google Messages where you have to verify the number, Samsung Messages does that automatically. So if you can open this option and the chat features are enabled, that means the RCS is activated on your phone. You can adjust the settings including changing the image and video quality. Ensure that this is set to resend to send a message as an SMS if you or the other person is offline or they don't have RCS anymore. The RCS chat is in a different color. The normal is green and the RCS is blue. If all of a sudden messages change to blue, that means the receiver has RCS as well now. Let's see what can be done. First, the messages are over the internet, so it's faster. You will know when the message is delivered and read. The app will also show when the other person starts typing. Another possible option is sending large images and videos. When you receive a large file, it starts downloading it instantly. Lastly, we can send documents and stuff with RCS. When the RCS is enabled, you'll find the Files option here. Tap on it and choose a file. I'll pick this document. Here we go. It's been added. One thing Samsung Messages does not have is reacting to messages. Google Messages does that flawlessly. Each conversation in Samsung Messages can be customized. Tap here and then click Notifications. We can change the notification sound for this chat only. Then tap Customize to open the display options. It supports changing the background color of a chat. You can choose an image as well. Click here and then pick the photo you want. The bubble opacity and the text contrast are here if you can't see the text with the image. Now we'll talk about spam protection. Samsung Messages does not block spam numbers automatically. Even though its call app blocks spam calls, the messages always come through. We only get a warning for new numbers with a block button. All the blocked chats can be found here. The numbers blocked from messages are also blocked in the call app. The main search icon is on the top. We can choose a contact, media, links and others. Type the text to search. It will find it in every chat. Just tap the message to open it. We can search in a conversation as well. It has a better search interface than other apps. Insert the text to find it. Then use those arrows to move around. You will also notice this calendar icon to find on what days this search was typed. Click those dates to see the search text. Before we end this video, let's talk about a few good things. First, we can pin conversations on the top. Hold the chat and go to More to find it. The pinned chats will always be on the top. Samsung Messages has a recycle bin. When you delete a chat or a single message, it goes to the recycle bin. Click here and then recycle bin to see those messages. You can restore them within 30 days. After that, they are deleted automatically. We can also schedule messages. Hold the send icon to open the option. Then pick a date and time to schedule the message. Next are quick responses. Quick responses are saved lines to insert. To edit those and add new ones, go to settings and then more settings. You will find the option here. With that, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.